it right there. There's nobody around, I don't think. I feel like a lot of these places, I feel like people don't live around here year round. A lot of them don't, at least. Yep, this is it. Oh yeah, what the fuck? There's no floor. No ceiling either. Not for this chunk, at least. Hey! Oh, I thought that was a naked lady. It looks like she's not wearing a shirt. It's more fun to compete. It literally looked like she wasn't wearing a shirt. Is this a pinball machine?
Oh, it looks like it, yeah.
That's like in that one house I went in. There was like one like this. It was like there were naked people on it. You couldn't see anything, but it had naked people on it, and it was like, I think it was like fish with your bobbers out or some shit. I doubt it would still work, but you know me. That thing, that part pulls out. I don't know if there's a ball, probably not.
Pulls out.
So I think
some people I know.
Of course. This is the garage, I'm pretty sure. There's not even a door on this thing. Like, it looks like they just threw everything in this house. Just fuck it. It's going in here. Like, look at these seats. These are like, there's a surfboard, kind of.
Auditorium seats.
Yeah, I was gonna say church seats, but then auditorium. They don't. Oops.
This looks like a church pew.
Oh my god, yeah. Maybe this place was a church? I highly doubt it, though. Yeah, because here's, this. It says 80 on it. Like, they were, like, looks like it was probably on the side, maybe. Maybe for this.
Oh, I thought it said so.
So what are you buying? Just, oh, wow, this place is spooky. It's a mirror. What is this, a typewriter? Oh, here's a piano right here.
It kind of looks like a piano taken apart.
Yeah, like this is like...
Maybe that's like, you know, where you hit the buttons and it hits those things.
Yes, I see what you mean. That's what I was thinking. That was my next guess. Floor is probably not too great in here. Ooh, doesn't feel too good. Tread lightly, I say.
Tread heavily?
Yes, that's what I said.
Yeah. Man, you can't go in one place without there being a mattress that's just ripped open so I can see all the springs.
Can't go one place without there being a mattress with the inhabitants still laying on it. That's a lot of damage. I don't want water to drip on me from that shit. God damn. Someone even laid a board across this, I feel like, to walk over it. How cute. And we can cross over to the other room. Pretty window, kind of. Was once pretty. The floor is a bit slanted. It's an empty closet. That looks super unsafe to walk on. It's literally covered up by like leaves and shit and water. You have to walk on the water like Jesus. I just want to move this door about it like collapsing. Yeah, just push her on over there. Lean her against that there wall.
That works.
Yeah, okay. There's not much up here. As usual, holes in the fucking floor. One of these days I'm gonna fall. Pile of rubble. I don't know where the fuck that came from, but okay. I can see you through this hole.
Hey, you, Troy? Troy?
That's me, baby. I can see you through this hole in the wall and the ceiling and the entire house. Alright, getting down this should be a treat. The steps are so fucking steep. It's a wonder how people don't fucking die going down these when the place is still in function. Yeah, just a nice drop down there. Alright, so let's go around.
Bring it around town.
Bring it around town. Bring it around town. Wait, was there a door right here too? That's blocked though, I think. Nice view of this exterior. Oof, yeah, watch out for this. It's like buried in the snow. What? Yeah, just be careful walking on that. Yeah, it was this door right here I was looking through. That's what I'm confused about. I feel like that door that we can't get through probably leads down into the basement. Yeah, that door is pretty well blocked unless we want to get a moving truck here. Help these people finish moving out because they clearly didn't. Do them a favor, do us a favor as well.